A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and all the schools that are participating, Your Excellencies, the Chair of Film Fiji, the Vice Chancellor of FNU. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the second night that I've been here, and essentially I'd like to re-echo what I said last night, and that is essentially that there is so much talent in Fiji. There are so many positive things happening in Fiji, and all of this, in fact, has been driven by the young people of Fiji. It is in the hands of the people who are in the high schools, our youth, because you are the future leaders of Fiji. Just for those of you who may not know, in the coming elections, 310,000 voters out of 550,000 voters are below the age of 40. Nearly close to 180,000 of them are below the age of 30. And many of you who are over the age of 18 fall in that category. So it is very, very important that we, through you, are able to express ourselves through art, through culture, through literature, through films, through music, through dance. This is how we express ourselves as Fijians. Fijians living in a modern age, Fijians who are able to blend the different influences that we have whilst maintaining our cultural identity, but are able to create a cosmopolitan society. And we are the only Pacific Island country that has the ability to do that. And our friend Ben, I think, highlighted that also. There is an amazing, amazing talent amongst you. You may not actually realize that, but sometimes when you see the people dancing in the stage, the movies that you are making, these type of talent cannot be found very easily. So please, I think we should all, and all the parents and the friends who are here, let's put our hands together for all of you and for those people who are supporting you. Before we start the awards, I'd just like to urge you, do not lose this edge. Do not lose this ability to think freely, to be able to do the fusion, to be able to do the mixing, to be able to integrate what we have around us, amongst us, and between us. So, Vinaka Pakalevu, and I wish you all a very good evening. Thank you.